Welcome to EXO Fleet's Insights, where every mile counts. The podcast where fleet data turns into real-world decisions. Each episode, we unpack what's really happening across mixed fleets, fuels and sites, and how better insights leads to better performance, lower costs, and fewer surprises on the road. So let's get into it. And during the implementation, how do you ensure that customers start seeing value from zero-emission software, both in terms of technical performance and operational effectiveness? And what metrics do you use to track success?
So success during the implementation, I guess it's about two things. So first of all, it's a zero emission, delivering what we promise technically to the customer, and making sure the customer actually gets value from it operationally. So it's on those two sides. So we want to deliver what we promised, and as well, then it's about giving the customer operationally what they expect, so that they actually find the product useful. On the technical side, we track things like are the chargers, are the vehicles successfully communicating with the platform? That's one of our first checks. Once they are communicating effectively, are the vehicle and charger alerts working? So are we seeing faults as they occur with chargers or with vehicles? And are the various integrations functioning as well? So obviously we'd be nothing without our integrations with telematics, vehicle telematics, scheduling tools, all that. So like we've seen with a lot of customers that we do integrate with a lot of different platforms that they use, and yes, we are the central location where we will take in all that information and push that back out to the customer. So really, it's about success. Then is when we can actually see that information come into our platform, and then also generating it back out to the customer. Then again for their visibility. I guess from our side of things, making sure that we've got it set up properly. But from the customer's point of view, success is, does their team know how to use the system? We've addressed that earlier, that they will know how to use the system because they'll have had personalized training on using the product. The second thing is, are they getting clear visibility into fleet readiness? Obviously, what our platform does, it gives the customer bird's eye view of their fleet. So when they can see that they are getting value out of the product. And then lastly, I guess it's, are they enabled to make better day-to-day decisions? And the customer can do that using our platform. We employ charger profiling, which allows users to limit charging during peak utility periods when the rates are more expensive. We offer reports, we offer analytics. It gives the user an overview of historical data, and it also gives them a live view of their fleet. So they can be proactive instead of reactive, in terms of, for example, they can take a vehicle out of service if they can see that there's a battery string missing. They can see fault that come through in real time. And like I said, so they can see historical data as well that allows them to react as things occur. So they're not waiting for a bus to be out in the middle of a shift and it breaks down on the side of a motorway. With our platform, it gives the user, I suppose, visibility of potential issues before they arise. And of course, it also gives them day-to-day view of, their fleet, how it's performing, fleet readiness, state of charge of the vehicles before they go out on the field. So once we go live, support doesn't stop at that point. As I said earlier, I act as the main point of contact for our customers. So that's during and after the rollout of the product. So if anything comes up, customers can reach me directly. Now, internally, I work closely with the development team every day. So if there's an issue, if there's an integration hiccup, or if it's just a small usability issue on the customer side, we can jump on it quickly. And we offer a very personal, responsive service to the customer. I also engage with our customers proactively. So depending on the customer's wants or needs, I'll set up usually a regular weekly, bi-weekly, or as needed check-in with the customer. So during those sessions, then we just cover off things. It's just a casual check-in with the customer. We check, is the system working for them as required? It gives the customer to maybe highlight any insights. It gives me an opportunity to maybe give the customer new insights into the product that they might not necessarily be aware of. And it's about spotting opportunities to improve how they're using the platform overall. So really, I guess to answer the question, Liam's support is baked into how we work. We're hands-on, we're responsive, and it's all built around partnership with the customer.
A big thank you to Liam, our delivery manager, and his team. It's great to see how they handle every aspect of the implementation process and make sure everything runs smoothly for our customers. The attention to detail, both technically and operationally, really makes a difference. And it's clear they're always going the extra mile to make sure we deliver value. And hearing back from our customers, it really makes a huge impact. Make sure to follow us wherever you listen to your podcasts or on our YouTube channel. If anything you heard today reflects the challenges you're facing in your fleet, get in touch with us today at Exofleets. We're always happy to talk through real-world solutions. exofleets.com